Simple sensory activities for toddlers. You will need manila paper, paintbrush, water. Don't fill it all the way because the more water they have, the higher the chances that it will be dumped all over the floor. Water painting is a fun, sensory activity that your toddler will enjoy for a while. They will be amazed by making the darker colors appear on the paper with their very own brush strokes. The good thing is you don't have to go outside to have this activity, and the best part about it is that it leaves no mess. These are the skills that this activity addresses: cognition, learning and understanding new objects and concepts; fine motor skills, strengthening and coordinating the muscles of their hands by using them to hold the brush and make strokes; sensory play, feeling and seeing different textures can be calming or stimulating for a child. As you can see, he is enjoying this activity. Try this with your toddler and I am sure that you will love watching the amazement in your toddler's eyes when they are painting with water.